Is your ASUS laptop having trouble connecting to Wi-Fi on Windows 11 or Windows 10? Don't worry, this video will walk you through the most effective troubleshooting steps to fix Wi-Fi connection problems on your ASUS device. Whether you're dealing with slow speeds, disconnections, or no internet at all, we've got you covered. The first thing you have to do is open the Start menu and then open Settings. Click on System to open it. Scroll down to Troubleshoot. Open it. Open Order Troubleshooters. Look for Network and Internet and press Run to open the Network Troubleshooter. Now press Run Troubleshooter. Press Next. Press Troubleshoot My Connection to the Internet. Wait for the troubleshooter to detect your connectivity issues. Open the Start menu. Open Settings. Click on Network and Internet. Open Advanced Network Settings. Scroll down to Network Reset and open it. Press the Reset Now button. Press Yes to reset your network settings. Restart your PC to apply the changes. Open Start. Type Device Manager. Click on Device Manager to open it. Expand Network Adapters. Go to Properties. Open Driver. Now click on the Update Driver option. Open Browse My Computer for drivers. Open Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Click on the driver of your network adapter and press Next to install it. Restart your PC to finish the installation. Open Start. Type Device Manager. Click on Device Manager to open it. Expand Network Adapters. Go to Properties. Open Driver. Press Uninstall Device to remove the corrupt driver. Click on Uninstall. Restart your PC to make Windows install a new driver.